Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making orange oil in two ways. You have to wash and dry the orange to avoid contaminating the oil. This is the first method. You are expected to remove the orange zest by using grater or knife. You have to avoid the white part of the orange because it can make the oil bitter. You are expected to allow the orange peel to dry. As you can see, the orange peel is already dry. So I'm going to be putting it into a jar and add enough oil to cover it. As you can see, this method is so simple that you can do it in a twinkle of an eye. You're expected to use either olive oil, coconut oil, or grapeseed oil. Kindly add enough oil into the jar in order for it to cover up the zest. Cover the oil and allow to infuse for about 2 days or more before making use of it. We are going to be starting with the second method. You use a peeler or grater to peel off the orange zest. We are going to be adding the orange zest into a bowl and at the same time adding oil into it. I will be making use of coconut oil, but you can actually make use of any oil of your choice. The bowl is to be placed into a boiling water. This method heats the oil and also helps the orange to be extracted into the oil. After about 7 to 10 minutes, allow it to get cold and remove it from the water. You are expected to strain the oil into a bowl. Here is the first method. We are expected to allow the oil for 2 days before sieving it. You are expected to store the orange oil into a container or a jar. You can actually use vitamin E if you wish to for preservative. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.